Unraveling, dying to, a phrase unpacked. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning journey. Today, we are going to dive into the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Specifically, we'll be exploring the phrase, dying to. Understanding this phrase can really help you sound more like a native speaker and express your feelings more vividly in English. So, let's get started. Dying to is an idiomatic expression used to describe a strong desire or eagerness to do something. When someone says they are dying to do something, it means they really want to do it and can hardly wait. It's important to note that this phrase is not meant to be taken literally. Nobody is actually dying. It's just a way to express a strong emotion. You can use dying to in a variety of situations. Here are a few examples to help illustrate its use. 1. I'm dying to see the new movie. This means you are very excited and can't wait to see the new movie. 2. She's dying to meet you. This means she is very eager to meet you. 3. We're dying to find out what happens next. This means we are very curious and can't wait to know what will happen next. In each of these examples, dying to helps to express a strong desire or eagerness to do something. When using the phrase, dying to, be careful not to use it in situations where a literal interpretation could be possible or when talking about serious or sensitive topics. For example, avoid using it in situations related to actual death or illness. Adding phrases like dying to your vocabulary can really help enhance your English speaking skills. It allows you to express yourself more vividly and connect with native speakers on a deeper level. Practice using this phrase in different contexts until you feel comfortable with it. Thank you so much for joining me in today's lesson. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of the phrase, dying to, for you. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is a fantastic way to sound more like a native speaker and add flair to your English. Keep practicing, and you'll be using English idioms like a pro in no time. Until our next lesson, happy learning!